Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a brand new 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland, and I'll talk about the equipment and the features and how to operate them. So hang out and grab some popcorn and some candy and whatnot. Anyway, we'll start up front. Up front we've got a 3.6 V6 engine. It is available at the 5.7, but this one has a 3.6. That's what we mostly sell. We've got LED lights. And then we've got this really nice looking grill. The new front end I think is really awesome, and yeah, just beautiful. The Overland's always going to come with these tow hooks up front too, so you got these little tow hooks up front. And then up front we also have front sensors and a little pad here in the middle. This is for your forward collision warning, pedestrian sensing technology and things like that. So this Jeep also has a ton of safety features on it. So adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, lane sensing technology, blind spot monitoring, things that were really not on Jeeps for a long time and just are starting to really be more utilized, which is cool. We're just making our cars a little bit safer. This one has the 20-inch wheels, so Overlands come with 20s, and there's currently only one 20 available, and it's this style. It's pretty sharp looking. Not a lot of chrome on it either, so a little bit around the windows and where it says Grand Cherokee on the side there. And this is the Grand Cherokee, not the Grand Cherokee L, so this is the 5-passenger. The Grand Cherokee L is either a 6 or a 7. And you guys will notice on the back looks great. The light assembly, everything looks really sharp on these. Dual exhaust, we've got our 4x4 badge, and then it also says Overland here. That's what this badge is here. It does have a power lift gate, and you open it just to the right here a little bit, and we'll open it up, see what we got in back. We've got some floor mats, but a good amount of space here, so if you're traveling, going on a trip, or hitting some yard sales on the weekend, this is plenty of room for most everybody, I'd say. Get a spare in here too. This is a temporary spare. And to close this baby up, just press this button right here. Those seats do fold down if you need a little bit of extra space. If you hit a yard sale the right way and you're loading up the car, you can put those seats down. But I love the car. I think the SUV, I think it's really great. It rides, it drives unbelievably good. It's got plenty of power, and has a tow package too. So back here, I'll show you guys really quick. This opens up here. This opens up, and there's some wing nuts on the bottom, underneath the bottom here, and you just twist them, and it'll reveal the hitch. All the Overlands come with the towing package. So let's make our way here. So one thing that's kind of nice is the Jeeps work on proximity key. So hand in the handle unlocks it. This little 3-tab locks it. And I talked about blind spot monitoring. There's the triangle right there for it. Let's open it up, take a look at this interior. Overland comes standard with the dual roof, and you guys will check out these nice leather seats. They're perforated, so these seats are heated and cooled. Super comfortable. They have a massaging feature on them too, which is cool. And this Jeep has a luxury 2 package on it. That's what's actually giving you the massaging feature. So that's the switch for it right there. You've got your memory settings here too. Then you have your mirror adjustments. And if you want your mirrors to go back, all you do is twist this, and the mirrors will fold in for the garage and stuff like that. Twist it back out, and there they go. And you guys will notice we have the Alpine sound. And what I want to do is, I'm just going to go in the back really quick so I can show you guys how nice that this interior looks. So I'll go into the back, and I'll just pan across here. So sweet looking steering wheel. This is the 8.4 touchscreen radio, but it is available in a 10.1, which is really nice also. The dash is really nice, super soft leather trim dash, and the stitching's great looking. The wood grain trim's really beautiful looking, and they've tied everything really well together. You guys will also notice the passenger side has the massage feature too, and you can actually set memory settings for the passenger as well, which is new. We haven't had that before. So let's go back up to the front. I'll show you guys what's going on with it. So for starters, I do have the massage feature on, so I'm gonna get a massage while I'm shooting this video. But new steering wheel, like the Jeep logo that they've put on it, like the stitching and the sleekness and design. And then this driver's information center is digital, which is cool. So it gives you your miles per hour and in a digital readout, which is pretty neat. And we hit the down arrow and we can cycle through the extra features that it has on: oil lift monitor, PSI on the tires, a couple trip odometers, aero mode. So I mentioned this has the quadra lift suspension, and right now we're in aero mode, but we can raise this vehicle up to a couple different off-road modes, or we can lower it down to like a park easy exit mode too. We'll go back down through this and we'll go back to, I guess, the main page. So yeah, so just a little bit of information there. I believe this has a feature where you can kind of go left and right through the menu as well instead of up and down. Yeah, you can, which is cool. So I do like that. Super easy to use. Then we'll get over to this part of the steering wheel where we have our adaptive cruise control system, which basically allows you to set your cruise to a particular speed, let's say 75, and if somebody gets in front of you and they're doing 74, the vehicle will actually slow itself down. So that's how it works, guys. Pretty cool technology. Start stop technology, on off switch here. Here's our lane departure switch here. Here is our electronic stability control switch, on off. There is our hazards, and then right here is our park assist. We can turn off our backup sensors. Then we get to our 8.4 touchscreen radio, and super easy to use touchscreen. So you can see it's divided here. We've got nav on one side, radio on the other, or you can go full page media. You get AM, FM, satellite radio. Satellite you'll get 6 months for free if you purchase it new. And then we have our temperature control system. So we have driver side, passenger side settings. Then we have the front, massage, and rear. So we actually even can adjust the rear climate control too, which is new to the two-row Grand Cherokees. Never used to be able to do that. I could be wrong, but I'd be willing to bet $14 that I'm right. Massage, you can set it to a few different types of settings. So rock climb, it will go up and down in a certain pattern, which is cool. Low extend, extend, and then lower back. So a bunch of different things you can do there, which is pretty sweet. Then we have our navigation powered by TomTom, which is pretty cool, easy to use. And here's our phone settings. So we can go ahead and we can delete these actually, but these settings actually you can store up to 7 phones, which is kind of cool. And vehicle just allows us to turn our rear camera on, or going to turn our auto dimming mirror on and off. And then apps is just a centralized page where you can access certain things such as Alexa, off-road pages, device manager, Android Auto. You can view your recents, or you can check out all of them, and you can kind of just swipe right through all that stuff. And then down here you have another switch bank where you have your volume control, and you have your tuner over here. We've got our heated seats, cooled seats. Let's turn those on today. Heated steering wheel, and then passenger side, cooled seats, heated seats for them. Temperature for me, temperature for passenger, fan power here, and then where we are telling the AC to go to. We can also turn it to a automatic mode too. All super easy to use. Then you guys will notice we have some charging ports here, and this has a wireless charger also. And we can close this up, which is pretty neat. This is our not hill descent control. This is our select terrain system, so you can make adjustments to whatever type of terrain you're in. So if it's snowing, you can put it into snow. If you feel like driving a little bit quicker and more speedy, go ahead and throw it in sport. I just would leave it in auto, but you know, you guys can do whatever you want. And here is our quadra lift setting, so we can set it to a few different settings. There's 5 settings. This is the toggle switch for that. And then here is our shifter. We also have our hill descent control, our neutral switch, and then our 4 low. A couple cup holders, and we'll close that up. And yeah, I mean, pretty sweet, pretty darn nice vehicle. Nice quality leather, super soft, very comfortable, and this thing absolutely drives like a dream. 3.6 V6 has plenty of power. It's been around for a long time, and I don't see them really getting rid of it. But you know, we're gonna wrap this video up, guys. I really don't have much else to say. I would definitely recommend you guys drive this car, go look at it, and give it a whirl, because if you're looking for a higher end vehicle, this is about a 60-ish grand ride. Go check it out. The feedback that I get from my customers is great, and they all seem to be really enjoying it. Thanks for watching as usual, guys, and I hope you have a good day.